Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you how we can convert the polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. We give one point, how we can allocate this point. If I know the 0 points, which is where I am standing, if I'm here, and how we can represent this point. I can draw two different lines. One is X, one is Y. That's 0 and 0. And then we have this point, which is that's X and that's Y. So this point, I can say X and Y. That's rectangular coordinates. What about the polar coordinates? We know the distance from this point to there, and also we know the angles from this line to here. So also this point, we can say P and the distance there. Alright, let's say H, whatever you want to represent it. Let's start to convert the first one. As you know, this is a polar coordinates, so we know the distance from the point to the other point. And then the radius is 2.01. Based on this information, let's start to do it. First, we put a point there. This is the point we want to allocate, as we say, we know the distance between here and there. So let's put X and Y. Okay, currently we know this one is 2.01 radians. And also we know the distance is 5. I would like to know what is X and what is Y. That's what we need to find out. As you know, this is a triangle. And that's X, that's Y, and then we got 5, 2.01. First, I would like to do X. So we know the rule of cosine. Cosine is X and dividing by R, so which is 5. And then we put all the information we know and we put it in there. And the X will give you a result. 5 times 2 cosine 2.01. Final results will be minus 2.126 because the requirement is 3 decimal. Okay, so that's X. And then the Y, we use a sine. Sine is Y divided by 5, which is R. Alright. And then we put the information in there, and you can work out Y is equal 5 sines 2.01 radian, and then the result is 4.525. So the final result will be minus 2.126 dash or comma 4.525. That is the final result. We converted from here to there. And now we find out this is not the right point. The correct point should be change from here is minus 2.1 something and 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roughly in there, and this line should be there, and then that's 2.01 and the 5 should be there, so that's Y. That should be the point, correct point. And that's calculation formula. Thank you.